Hey guys, I guess that you already realized that we are on the birthplace of Mozart. So we are in Salzburg, a beautiful city situated in the beautiful Alps. I've heard that Salzburg is one of the most beautiful and cultural cities in the Europe. So let's go check it out all together. That's going to be really interesting.
Salzburg is located in the western part of Austria, near the border with Germany. The city is situated between the Alps to the south and rolling plains to the north. Location at the crossroads of Central Europe makes it accessible for visitors from all around the world. We started our day at Mirabell Gardens, where every corner whispers tales of romance and history. It is most iconic spot in the city, renowned for its beautiful gardens, rich history, and stunning Baroque architecture.
Dan kan je aan de auto gaan wachten.
Then 10 minutes walk takes you to the old city where you can walk around the tiny adorable streets, get lost and find yourself on another pretty location.
Назад мы были.
This is a square, pretty much where Mozart lived his whole life. This is his house. He lived there, he created all his art. And the story is the following. So there is cafe at the park, and we really wanted to have drinks there because it's just by Mozart residence. And there was only one table, and we came 5 minutes before 3 p.m. and they said the table reserved at 3, and we asked like, oh, can we sit and drink? And they're like, oh yeah, sure, okay. So we seated, we had a drink, and we asked for bill, and then guys came 1 minute before 3 and they said like, hey, it's our table. But the thing is that they put us to this table. It's really amazing, like such nice people.
And just few minutes from the Mozart residence spanning the tranquil Salzburg river, the Marko-Feingold-Steg is a bridge that links two sides of Salzburg. It offers breathtaking views of the river and its surroundings. After Aperol, we got hungry and headed to the right side of the city, apparently newer, to find famous local hot dogs.
Dogs are really good. Guys, these hot dogs was the best hot dogs we have ever had. Like it's 5 euros. I'll pay 10 to have it again. So I'll have this place somewhere so you can go in case you're here in Salzburg.
Salzburg Cathedral, we just passing by because sunset is soon and we need to visit few interesting places before that. To get to another famous landmark, you can have a short 15 minutes hike to the top or take funicular for $6 round trip. I wanted to hike, but my husband didn't want to do it, so we took a ride. minutes ride, we arrived to the top of Salzburg fortress. Fortress has a history spanning over 900 years. Can you imagine it's one of the largest medieval castles in Europe? To be honest, just a view from here is already worth to visit. Now we are going to try famous Mozart Kugel. It is round chocolate coated treat with rich layered filling. The original Mozart Kugel from first is wrapped in silver foil with a blue portrait of Mozart, distinguishing it from many commercial versions that are often wrapped in red and gold.
We bought few desserts and some candies from this original store. It cost us 20 euros. For these candies, we got 5 of them, and it's €1 80 each, so $2. It's all made by handmade, and so ingredients: chocolate come from Germany, almonds come from Spain, pistachio come from Italy, and nougat come from Turkey. So it's, and look at this, every piece is different, and it's kind of sealed with chocolate here. So let's try. It's not too sweet.
Schon so.
You know, at first you try it and you're like, it's okay. But then, while it's melting, it's actually really good. Yeah, it's really good.
Of course, we could not skip the Gate Lady the most famous shopping street, also location of birthplace of genius Mozart here, where he began composing at just 5 years old.
Просто заблудишься, разбудишься. Wow. Now the party here, I guess. Drinks, смотри. Drinks, food. Sushi.
So guys, what I can say, Salzburg is something. It's unique, it's beautiful city, one of a kind. Usually I will say that about New York, but this city is truly impressive. I hope you could feel the atmosphere that I try to show you through my video. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.